While sharing map on message on iPhone, or you keep getting not available error on your device, if you're having trouble with location not being available in iMessage on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some solutions for you. Here's how to fix it. Before you follow anything, be sure to have stable internet connection on your iPhone. Now back to troubleshooting. Solution 1, check location services. Open settings, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location services. Ensure location services is turned on. Scroll down and tap messages. Select while using the app or always to allow messages to access your location. Solution 2, check iMessage settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap apps, scroll down and find message app. Tap messages. Ensure iMessage is turned on. Scroll down and tap send and receive. Verify that you are signed in with your Apple ID and phone number. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 3, update iOS. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, tap software update. If an update is available, tap download and install. Solution 4, reset location and privacy settings. Open settings, tap general, scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, then select reset location and privacy. Solution 5, re-enable location services for messages. Open settings, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap location services, toggle location services off and then back on. Scroll down and tap messages, then set it to while using the app or always. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of location not being available in iMessage. If this guide helps, let me know in the comments below.